From pure AI to governed intelligence. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, IGA 2026 Architecture. 1. The evolution from intelligence to governance. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized how organizations generate insights. However, the shift from pure AI to governed intelligence marks a critical evolution where intelligence is not just generated but controlled, validated, and aligned with real-world objectives. 2. Role of the data lake. Foundation of intelligence. The journey begins with the data lake, which consolidates structured and unstructured data. It acts as the single source of truth, enabling AI systems to process vast volumes of information for forecasting and analysis. 3. AI layer. Forecasting and pattern recognition. The AI layer processes data to generate predictions, detect patterns, and identify trends. While powerful, this layer remains informational only, producing outputs that require further evaluation before action. 4. Policy layer. Embedding rules and compliance. Policies define the operational boundaries of the system. They incorporate regulatory frameworks, business rules, and ethical guidelines, ensuring that all intelligence aligns with compliance and governance standards. 5. Analyze layer. Contextual evaluation. The analyze layer introduces context into intelligence. It evaluates outputs against real-world conditions, ensuring that predictions are not interpreted in isolation but in relation to business environments and constraints. 6. Analyzer 1.0. Governance decision engine. Analyzer 1.0 acts as the central decision authority, evaluating intelligence using KPI, TSI, and OSI frameworks. It ensures that every decision is validated, risk-aware, and policy-compliant before approval. 7. Cockpit Unified Control Interface. The cockpit serves as the visual and operational interface, integrating all layers into a single system. It allows users to monitor intelligence, governance signals, and decision outcomes in real time. 8. Limitations of pure AI, without governance. Pure AI lacks critical elements such as contextual understanding, decision control, and accountability. Without governance, AI systems can produce unregulated outputs, higher error risks, and limited trust in real-world applications. 9. Audit and trust. Closing the loop. The final stage ensures auditability and transparency. Every decision is recorded, traceable, and explainable, enabling organizations to build trust, ensure compliance, and continuously improve their governance systems. Summary. The transition from pure AI to governed intelligence transforms AI from a predictive tool into a controlled decision ecosystem. By integrating data lake, AI, policy, analyzer, cockpit, and audit layers, organizations achieve end-to-end governance, transparency, and reliability in decision-making. High-voltage power. Summary. Pure AI generates intelligence but governance makes it trustworthy. NeuroGov Plus with IGA 2026 transforms data into controlled decisions, ensuring every action is validated, compliant, and accountable. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.